Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain the best way to invest in the stock market. To begin, focus on a strategy that emphasizes broad market exposure and long-term growth. This involves consistently investing in diversified, low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, often referred to as ETFs. This method helps you capture the overall performance of the market while significantly reducing the risk associated with picking individual stocks. It's a straightforward and effective approach for building wealth over many years. Investing in index funds offers several compelling advantages. Firstly, they provide instant diversification, spreading your investment across a vast number of companies, which significantly reduces risk. Secondly, these funds typically boast very low expense ratios, often less than 0.1% annually, meaning more of your money stays invested and grows. Historically, over periods of 10 years or more, a large majority of actively managed funds fail to beat their benchmark index, making index funds a powerful choice. Implementing this strategy is quite simple. First, open an investment account, such as a Roth IRA or a standard brokerage account, with a reliable financial provider. Next, select a broad market index fund or an S&P 500 index fund, which tracks the 500 largest U.S. companies. Finally, and crucially, set up automatic transfers to invest a fixed amount regularly, perhaps every 2 weeks or once a month. This practice, called dollar cost averaging, helps smooth out market fluctuations over time. The true power of this investment approach lies in patience and consistency. Market downturns are inevitable, but resisting the urge to sell during these times is vital. History shows that markets recover and continue to grow over the long haul. Furthermore, ensure any dividends you receive are automatically reinvested. This allows your earnings to generate more earnings, harnessing the incredible power of compound interest over decades, leading to substantial wealth accumulation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.